If you have any questions or need any help, give us a call on one of our trailer parts experts with bolt pattern of 6 on 5.5 and 8 on 6.5 and a tube diameter of 3 inches. Center measurements. If you have any questions on how to measure this, you can always find it in the how-to tab of any of our axle listings. The common sizes we keep in stock: 558, 8570, 8974, 9580. Your 7K TK trailer axle beam will fully assembled. Reduced TK trailer axle beam will come fully assembled, reducing installment time. If you need replacement parts, you can find a list of components in the product description of the. If you need replacement parts, you can find a full list of the internal components. The axle comes with an easy-to-lube design with removable rubber plugs on the hubcap with easy access to greasable surf fittings, meaning that you can grease your axle without removing the whole hub to ensure longevity. If you have any questions or need any help, give us a call on one of our trailer parts experts